Hello.
Hello.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you again.
Your birthday was last week?
Yes, my birthday was on Sunday.
Nice. Today we are going to Nagano Forest Village.
Okay.
And I want to take you to that place because birthday.
Thank you very much. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Our present.
Yeah, I have a present for you.
Oh, thank you very much.
Nagano Forest Village is about 30 minutes drive from Nagano Station.
Okay.
Let's enjoy barbecue.
Yes, let's enjoy. I'm excited.
Just bye. Enjoy barbecuing.
Thank you.
Beautiful scenery.
Yes, very beautiful. And today it's not too hot.
Yeah,
Good.
the best day to barbecue.
I think so, yeah.
Do you usually eat a cake for the birthday in America?
In America, yes.
Yes.
Usually have birthday cake, blow out the candles, and things like that. So
I know the cake is different between the...
yes, it is
Japan.
very different. Japanese cake has a lot of fruits on it.
Yeah.
Strawberries
Yeah.
and things like that. American cake, there are some like that, but usually they don't have that on them.
And also that it's more colorful.
Yes, more colorful.
Like the rainbow.
Right,
Yeah.
right. Uh-huh.
So this time we came to the Nagano Forest Village.
Yes.
And I booked the barbecue set. So we already have the vegetable and meat
Yes.
and dessert as well.
Oh, that's nice. You can book it and they give you everything. all
Yes,
included.
you don't need to bring anything.
That's
I really want you to eat the scallops with the soy sauce.
Oh.
So that's why I bought
So
scallops.
we went to the convenience to buy the sauce.
Yeah, scallops doesn't include in the this park.
So that's you
So-
got them yourself.
Yeah,
So you're-
if you want to eat the scallops, maybe you can buy at the supermarket and then bring it to.
okay. Well, thank you for buying.
Yeah, I really want you to try it. The barbecue scallops is the best.
Oh, really?
Yeah, have you ever been to the Nagano Forest Village before?
This is my first time coming here.
Cool.
Very nice and peaceful.
Yeah, this is Nagano.
Right. Nagano scenery, Nagano nature.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Yes. Very nice.
Yeah. So have you ever tried camping in Nagano?
No, I haven't.
No, you haven't?
I've camped in America before,
Uh-huh.
but not in Nagano, not in Japan.
Probably next time camping as well. There are a lot of camping sites in Nagano. I'm not the specialist of the camping,
Okay.
but he is the
Oh, really?
specialist. Ooh, looks great.
Looks great. Looks delicious.
Here is a sauce for the
Okay.
meat. Maybe you can use the plate for the...
Oh,
This one is a pork leaf, I think.
so good.
So good.
So good. Delicious. Love it. Sauce is really good too.
So you can feel the smoky flavor.
Yes.
Do you like grilled mushroom?
Yes, I do. I like grilled mushrooms.
So let's eat pork loin.
Yes.
It's thick.
Yeah, it is. It's very thick.
Yeah.
So good. Everything. So good.
I love the barbecue green pepper.
Ah, yes. Me too. I really
You
like
do.
big pepper too.
It's really good.
Everything's so good.
Yeah.
I think when you cook outside, it makes the food taste better.
Ah, yeah. I think so. And also beautiful scenery as well.
Yes, exactly. Beautiful scenery.
西成。
風景、景色みたいな。
あ、西成。
そうそう。And sausage.
Sausage!
Of course. I think sausage is necessary for barbecue.
Yeah. Juicy?
And on a barbecue, you can get a little bit crispy flavor. And so good. I think sausage in Japan is more like American hot dogs.
Ah.
In America, sausage is more, maybe more like German type sausage.
Like kind of
big,
big?
right? Big, fat, and there is a difference. And Japanese sausages, I think, are usually a little bit smaller too.
Ah.
But still good.
So I have a question about the barbecue. Do you barbecue only meat or?
Sometimes seafood as well. Sometimes shrimp or things like that. Scallops, don't really barbecue scallops.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Barbecue scallops is amazing.
Yeah, I think American barbecue is usually just beef, pork, those kinds of meats, chicken, sausage, things like that. Vegetables and seafood don't really barbecue.
なんかやっぱ。
早い。でも実は僕ももうすぐちょっと。でも美味しい食べ物あるだから。
ね。
Have you ever been to like the all-you-can-eat restaurant?
Yes, I have. I've gone to Sukiyaki Tabehodai
Ah.
and with my friends. I ate a lot. I ate a lot.
Let's try chicken.
Okay. Thank you. Perfect.
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 ありがとう。
Here you go.
Okay. Thank you.
It looks like festival.
Right, right. Exactly. Is it okay just to bite?
Yeah.
Okay.
Refresh your mouth. It's really hot. Please be careful
Okay.
when you eat it.
I'll wait. Wait for a little bit.
Like last time,
Yes.
it's little.
Ate the potatoes.
Let's try.
Okay. Try scallop. Barbecue scallops
Yeah.
with soy sauce. Really good.
Very good.
Really good. Yes.
I love it.
I understand why.
So this time is scallops with soy sauce, but we usually put the butter as well.
Oh, butter, really? Oh.
パンちゃんコーラ飲まないって。
うん。
あんまり。アメリカで人気の飲み物ってなんだ。ドクターペッパー。
So, Coke, so,
Mm.
Dr. Pepper, Mountain Dew,
Mountain Dew.
things like that. But I don't drink cola because I don't like the taste of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So when I was a kid, I would only drink milk and water.
Milk and water.
Yeah. So for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I would drink milk.
That is why it's so big.
I don't like the milk.
Really?
That's why my height is. So we are already full, quite full.
Yes.
So we play some game and then we feel hungry. We can eat it again.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So
Jump first.
I won.
Okay.
So let's try this.
Oh.
And oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
5だ。
5? Oh,
Yeah.
it's only at 5. 5.
Yeah, やべえ。
Yeah. So close. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ah,
やばい待って待ってチェックチェックチェック
4.
You burst on that.
Yeah.
From 25
Wow. Oh.
How was the Moruc?
Oh, it was fun. I understand why that is a popular game to play at camp at barbecues.
Yeah, we usually play it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when we barbecue.
Right, when we barbecue.
Okay.
Okay.
Then the last we eat the dessert.
Right,
We already put the
right.
dinner stomach.
Dinner stomach, and now
Bed.
it's time for dessert.
Yes.
Dessert stomach, too.
So the dessert is the waffle.
Looks delicious.
Yeah.
That's definitely at American barbecues, we don't have waffles or desserts.
Nice.
Waffles. Use it. Oh, okay.
Dip.
Dip into the sauce.
Maple. Oh,
So nice.
so nice.
Nice and fluffy and sweet. So good.
So good. The outside looks like crispy.
Yes, exactly. And the inside is nice and soft. So good.
おいしい。
美味しいね。
あ、おいしい。
これうまいね。
ワッフルいいね。今度やろうかな。
これなんだろう、クロワッサンみたい。
そうだね。クロワッサンワッフルみたいな感じだった。
うん。
超うめえ。
これうまいね。これうまいわ。How was the everything?
Oh, everything was great. Food was delicious. The scenery is gorgeous.
Yeah.
And it was a very nice, relaxing day. Fun day, learning a new game. So, thank you very much for my birthday present.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you.
Maybe next time we are going camping.
Oh,
Probably.
camping.
Yeah.
Oh, let's try it then.
Yeah. All right then. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.